perspective on affinity 3.01, and this is how you do. Write maybe your name or your letters you want to write, object or maybe text. You come there to wrap, new wrap group, then you create perspective. After clicking that, you can now just drag the object how you would like it to appear. That's how we acquire a perspective on affinity 3.01. Then if you want to do a for shape, you click the shape, then you do the same step as we've done the earlier one. You click the shape you want to create the perspective on, you click there to vector, then go to new group, then new wrap, then you click perspective, you generate the perspective I would like it to be, and that's how we acquire the new perspective on affinity 3.01. and that is so amazing, guys. You can try this feature out on your affinity. This is the way out. See you. Bye bye.